Hello, my name is Sushan Poudel. This is my component 2 product presentation for the production project module. The title submitted for my final year project is a real estate recommendation system using rule-based matching and AI. The product developed for this project is called Bluewell Investment Company BWIC. It is a web-based real estate investment and property recommendation platform. This is the platform where the system allows users to browse property listings, search and filter properties, view property details, save the favorite properties, and receive property recommendations based on investment preferences. The recommendation system uses rule based matching and AI supported query understanding to help users find suitable investment properties. The project also includes an admin panel where authorized admin users can manage properties, categories, and view contact messages submitted by the users. The main problem addressed by this project is that property investors often need to compare many properties manually based on factors such as location, price, area, highway access, rate on investment, which can be a lot time consuming and difficult. Bluewell Investment solves this by providing a structured property platform with search, filtering, favorites, and a recommendation system. The recommendation system calculates a match score and provides a score breakdown so that the users can understand why a property is recommended. Now, this system uses a Next.js and React frontend with TypeScript. The backend is built using Express.js and TypeScript. Postgres is used as the database with SQLize as the ORM with models and migrations. The frontend communicates with the backend REST API. The backend handles authentication, properties, categories, favorites, recommendations, contact, messages, email verification, and password reset. The database stores users' properties, categories, favorites, recommendations, settings, contact messages, password reset tokens, and authentication rate limit records. Now let me demonstrate you the product. This is the home page for my product from where we can directly go to the properties page and the recommendations page. From here we also have the about page, properties page, recommendations page, contact page. Here we also have the login option. This product is for both the users who are logged in and a general user. So let's go to the login page. Here is the login page. If you try to log in without the proper login without the credentials, it will throw us the validations. I've already registered an account, so let's just go with the email. Yes, this is the credentials. Now yes, now the user is logged in properly, from which we can access the favorites page, the settings page, and we can log out as well. Now let's move to the about page. This is the about page of the project. uh, as we can see, here is a proper footer, here is the quick links, the website, the email, the phone number, access, short links. Now let's move on to the properties page. This is the properties page from where we can add to the favorites. When we add to the favorites, it shows the toast message. Let's add 2 to 3 properties to favorites first. Now let's move to the property detail page. We can click the property here for the property detail page. We can see a use image. We can view the image in full screen as well. this is the property here. From here as well we can add to the favorites. Here we can see the description, technical specifications. This is a land property, 100 meter from highway, square foot is 2200 square feet. Traditional measurement, this is the traditional measurement which is in format of Ropani, Ana, Paisa and Dam and Paisa, sorry. um, from here we can directly contact the agent and we are sent to the contact page. uh, let's move back now. Now let's go add more favorites and go to the favorites page. Here from here we can go to the favorites page and we can see the listings that were add to the favorites. Now let's remove and let's check it by reloading as well. Yes, the favorites are removed. Let's move back to the properties page. We can search by property name or location. Let's type Kapan and search. Yes, we can see all the houses in Kapan, modern house in Kapan, investment plot in Kapan. We can as well filter it. Let's filter it by, let's say, price. Once, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. And maximum price, let's say 2 CR. Apply filters. Okay, it shows the properties listings from 1 CR to 2 CR differences, as you can see here. Now let's remove the filters and now let's move to the contact page as well. From here we can send the contact messages. Let's send something, name test user. Let's type the email correctly. Let's say land investment, select a range 3 CR to 5 CR message. And now let's say we can say something like, I want to buy a land near Kopan. Contact me ASAP. Send the message. Now it's sending. The message has been sent and the toast message also appears here. Now let's move towards the recommendations page. The recommendation system is one of the main features of the project, where the user can enter the investment preferences such as the location, ideal price, rate on investment, ideal area, distance from highway. Here we have the free text property brief as well, where we can type something like let's suppose property near Sitapaila. Then it shows the properties which are in Sitapaila and the properties which are near Sitapaila. Since the data does not consist of the properties in Sitapaila, so it showed the properties from Bafal. Bafal is very near from Sitapaila, so as we can see here, it showed the properties near Sitapaila as well. And here we have the score breakdown for location. That means it's saying that 67% location is matched. If we view more details, we can see more details near your preferred location at about 1 kilometer away. 1 kilometer away, it said 1 kilometer away and it gave 67% match. We can see more properties which are all near Bafal. Now let's suppose I might need near Sitapaila or near Balaju as well. So let's type property near Sitapaila or Balaju. Then what is the output here? It came it detected preferred locations Sitapaila, Balaju. Now let's view it. Premium house at Balaju. Location matched 100%. Matched your preferred area directly in the listed location. So it ranked first. Now let's view 67% match, similar to that. Now let's add more criterias over here. Let's say near the highway with good ROI. So good ROI in the system, good ROI has been detected as 12%, and if anything like keywords like near, around, for the highway is detected, then it's automatically uses 1 kilometer as the default. Now similarly, still it is at the top with the 89% match. The location at the Balaju, because the location is 100%, and location is calculated with longitude and latitude. Here it calculates first the Sitapaila, Balaju, and then it detects the longitude and latitude using the AI. Then with that it matches with the properties data, longitude and latitude, and if it matches, then the property is 100%, or near it, then it is 100%. For others, as we can see, another property is 74% match. Let's see why it got high match percentage, 23 points for location, because it is near the highway, near full points for the access, and full points for the ROI as well. Okay. So it properly explains the scoring breakdown. The scoring, we can see here the scoring factors. 35 default system weights, 35 for location, 35 for price, 20 for area, 5 for ROI, and 5 for access. We can change these weights. If you are a logged in user, we can change the weights from the settings page. Let's go to the settings page, and if we try to change, let's say 30, it should be 100, it should be total to 100. If we decrease this to 30, and let's add this to 30 as well, what happened? 30. Now save settings. Okay, now it will use this system. Let's go there, let's go here, and then generate recommendations. Now what happens? Still 88% match with this is here. Now 74 becomes 75, 74 becomes 75%, and now it uses 30 30 30 location, price, area. For location, price and area, it now uses 30 30 30, and this is for the recommendations page. The system also includes an admin side. Only users with the admin role can access the admin dashboard. Okay, let's now try to access the admin dashboard. Here we do not have the admin dashboard option. It usually comes here on the for the person who have the admin role. If we directly try to access the admin URL, it will not let us, so we'll have to go to logout and log in with the user who has the admin access role. Okay, let's go to admin login. I already have an account which has the admin access, so let's type it out. Now it has logged in. Now The admin can view all the properties, add property, view categories page, messages page. This allows the property listing data to be maintained directly through the admin panel. uh, let's see here in the properties page we can view properties. It sends back to the you it sends back to the normal page UI, in which how the listing is being viewed for the users can be seen from here. Now if we want to edit, we can edit it from here. Let's try like improving 3200 and update property profile. Update it. Yes, now the property has been updated, and the toast message has been displayed. Now let's see it. We changed it to 3200. Now is the 3200 changed? Yes, here the 3200 has been changed. Now it's working. Let's go back. Now let's try to delete it. It will throw out delete property. Let's not delete it right now, but the pop-up has been shown and we can delete it, and the action cannot be undone. We can add property as well if we fill up the details. Let's add a property, like let's add property for Swayamboo property. Let's say it's a home. Let's say full address Swayamboo. Yeah, Swayamboo. We need to select it from the drop down, otherwise it's not gonna be good. Let's select 10 of eye level. Technical dimensions, let's say around 3000. Let's say it's around 0.15 paisa, thus let's say 3 paisa, duida. Let's say it's around 100 meters from the highway. Let's add a photo for it. This photo does good. It's a house image. Let's slide a great property in Swayamboo near the temple and good access to the highway. And let's update create property profile, and the property has been added successfully. Let's go and check it. Yes, the property has been added. Let's see in the normal UI page as well. Now let's view the full image. Okay, as we can see, this is good. This is good, very good. Now let's go back to the admin page again. Similarly, for the categories page, we can see the category UI. We can add category here. Let's type rent. The category has been added successfully. We can see here the rent has been added. Now we can delete the rent because it has 0 properties. We cannot delete the properties. We cannot delete the categories which have the properties. Now we can delete it as well. Delete confirmation, delete, category deleted successfully. Now let's reload it and check the state. Yes, similarly we can see the messages sent by the before testing. I tested from the test user. The message has been displayed here, as we can see. Testing was also done across the system, which included registration validation, email validation, login validation, recommendation settings validation, and many more validations were done. Backend unit tests were also included for recommendation logic, request validation, services, favorites, and error handling. Lastly, I would like to conclude. In conclusion, this system provides a working property investment platform With user side and admin side functionality, the system supports property browsing, searching, filtering, recommendation scoring, free text property brief, um, why this property ranked first, why was the scoring less for the properties, all will all are provided in this product. And thank you for watching my product demonstration.